In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on CoinEx. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website. I left a link down below in the description, which will take you to the website. And then on here, you can just buy crypto by hovering over Buy Crypto at the top left. And then you can just click on Quick Buy over here. And this is going to take you to a separate page on CoinEx where you can actually quick buy the crypto. So just basically type in how much of your currency you would like to buy. So for example, as you can see right now, I have selected and I can just type in, for example, 100. And then here you want to type in your buying amount as well. So let's say I want to buy, I don't know, let's say 100 USD, and it's going to automatically switch to how much you actually have to pay. And then down here, you can see the payment method. You can select the ones available. So for me, it's only one. I'm going to click on that. And then you have to basically read and agree their service agreement and privacy policy. And whenever you do this, you can just click on continue here. And then after this, you're going to have to do your primary verification, your mobile number verification, and then your CPF number verification as well. And after you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and buy it using your payment method down here. So that's how you do it. It's very easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.